Word and Office documents into PDFs. Now, the problem is if you want to edit those PDFs again, it's quite difficult because of the way the PDF file format works. So let's have a look at how we can reopen that PDF in Word, and then we can edit it and then save it back as a PDF. So first of all, we're going to open our Word. And we're going to open our file. So we're going to open our PDF file that we did in our previous demonstration. It's going to warn us. It's going to say that this was a PDF. It's going to turn it into an editable Word document. And it will take a while, depending on how big it is. I mean, this demonstration won't because it's just a single line of text. But if you have a long PDF file with multiple images or multiple pages, it may take a little while depending on how fast your computer is. It may also mess up the formatting, so it won't look as pretty. So we're going to go OK. You can convert it. Now, obviously, like I said, it's just a single line of text, so this is actually converted it fine and perfect. We can actually edit it. This is the edited version of the PDF file. And what we can do is we can go File, and as we did with our PDF version, Save As. This is destined for PDF, and we can call this version 2 because we have edited this. We're going to use the drop down. We're going to go to PDF. We're going to hit Save. It's then going to open our PDF as it did, and this is our edited version. Now, this works great if you've just got a PDF that's blank text, or maybe it's text with a few pictures, a few images, but the formatting stays 98–99% of the time correct. If it doesn't, however, and it completely throws the formatting off, we can use an online tool to convert that. So what we're going to do is just open that online tool up. We're going to go to a new tab, and the tool is called combinepdf.com. Now, this tool originally was designed to combine multiple PDF files, as we've shown in a different video, but you do have this option to convert a PDF to an older style Word document, a doc, or a newer style document called a docx. If you click on this, it's going to reload the top and tell you what it's doing. It's going to offer us to upload the files or just drag and drop the files. So we're going to do that. So we're going to grab our PDF, and we're going to grab our destined for PDF. We're going to drop it on thing. This is again going to upload it to the site. We're going to click download all. You can do multiples at once if you have multiple PDFs you want to convert. Once you've hit download all, you're going to get a zip file. So we're going to open this zip file up, and here's our Word document. We have our Word document. It's going to give us a protective view of the Word document because we've downloaded it from the internet, but obviously it's our Word document, so it's not a problem. We can turn on editing, and then we can edit our document. This is PDF version 3. And we can save this back as a PDF. And we have our PDF back, new updated version, ready to use as we need it.